Welcome back, people. Thanks for clicking on this video to come and hang out with me and my family and see what we're about to get into. It's just another day where I'm just kind of getting the kids kind of sorted out for the week. I'm going to fold up this laundry. You know, one of the things I absolutely hate is putting laundry away. I'm not gonna lie, it's one of the things I really hate to do. But it's gotta be done, right? So I'm about to put this clothes away. What I typically like to do is kind of make separate piles of everyone's things and just have them come and then put their stuff away. That's kind of like how I tend to do it. And lately I have been kind of on the busy side, so I haven't actually been going to the laundry. I don't have a washer and dryer in our apartment, so I have to either go to the laundry or take it to a laundromat where they will wash and fold for you. And for the past few washes, I feel like I've been doing that. I've just been dropping it off. I just cannot find the time to go to the laundromat and do it. I've been so busy with work, with everything else going on, so I'll just drop the clothes off and pick it up. And the people who do it, they actually do a pretty good job. Of course, then, there's so many other spaces she could go, but she comes right up under me while I do this. So, and she's getting all cozy and stuff because, she typically likes to try to fall asleep right after school. But I know for sure that I'm in the minority when it comes to uniforms. I actually really hate uniforms. To me, uniforms are more of a headache. Nobody ever agrees with me about that. I would rather be able to put anything on the children and send them to school. Getting uniforms ready and sorting them and keeping them clean, to me, it's kind of a headache. I don't know. Am I the only one? It's just so strange to me, but there must be someone out there who agrees with me on that one. Dirty laundry accumulates so fast in my household too. Like, I never understand it. It's like I'm actually putting these clothes away now, these clean clothes away, and there's already dirty clothes that are ready to go again. I don't understand what these kids do. It drives me crazy, but you know what? It is what it is. And I'm not gonna lie, I actually do the sniff test on some of these things before I take them to the laundry, and I still end up with a whole bunch of laundry. So I don't know. I don't know. This little girl is over here behind me, already asking for a blanket. Look at her. Look at her getting cozy. She's ready to go to sleep. Lord, then she's gonna want to be up all night and can't get up in the morning to go to school. Am I the only one with this problem? Does anyone have any suggestions to change this pattern that she has? Zen, what are you doing? No, why are you trying to sleep? Look at, it's a school day and it's only, what time is it?
4:34.
4:34. It's too early, baby.
I'm so sleepy.
You're so sleepy? No, but it's like, it's still super early. If you sleep now, you're gonna wake up later and you won't be able to sleep and you have to get up for school in the morning. So go play with something. Go read a book. Go look at pictures. Go draw a picture.
I can't find any paper.
I have paper. There's paper right on the table. I put paper there for you.
Oh, Sonic! Taking this. Where's the pencil box?
It's right there on the shelf. Right there, right here on this shelf. Oh, now you gotta clean up pencils before you do anything.
I'm done.
You clean up all the pencils?
I'll put it back.
Okay, listen up. If I help you enter these birds, you will get...
What are you making?
I'm making cupheads.
Huh?
I'm making cupheads.
Here go my girl Jane to the rescue, keeping Zen active and awake. Go Jane.
You ready, Mom? Waka waka waka, waka waka, It's time for Africa. We made that dance.
Y'all made that up?
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna go back to Dana.
John, what'd you do to her?
Huh? I looked at her with my beautiful face. No, I just looked at her like this. No!
John. Zen, how do you want him to look at you?
Yeah, then how? Okay, fine then. I'll look at you happy.
Zen, how do you want him to look at you?
Happy.
Like how? Show me. That's how you want him to look at you?
Like this then?
John. That's evil.
Okay. That's creepy. So I don't. Zen, just ignore him. Come on, let's go. Get it, Zen. Zen, come on. Just ignore him. Naughty girl. Very simple.
So I am in my car headed to the second pharmacy. I'm looking for a nebulizer mask for nebulizer treatments. And I guess I should have just ordered it, but I need it like today. So I don't know. The masks I had before are either too small or broken, so I need to get new nebulizer mask for treatments for Zaire. Zaire is not typically the one that has wheezing, but today he does, so it's for him today. I am on the Belt Parkway in Brooklyn, and it's running fairly smoothly. I don't want to jinx myself, but it is running fairly smoothly right now. I should be my destination in the next 10 minutes. And after going to 3 different locations, I couldn't find any masks at all. So I ended up ordering them on Amazon, of course.
It was nice you and Daddy had a timeout without any kids bothering you the whole time.
Yeah, but you guys aren't a bother.
Yeah, but like sometimes if we want to like stay in your room or like we want you to buy us this and that and that. That's what I mean.
Yeah, but it's okay. Me and Dad just needed a little bit of alone time, but we still love you guys a lot.
Yeah, we love you too a lot. Do you like my nails? I painted them blue.
Oh, you did that? Yeah, they look really good.
Thank you. I was thinking about doing pink on this hand and blue on this hand, or blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, and add sparkles, but I'm so lazy.
You're lazy, too lazy to do it.
And I was already painting them blue, so I'm like, just leave it.
And just do it blue. Next time you should do it that way. You should alternate.
Yeah.
Next time you should alternate. Blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink.
Yes.
Right? Sorry, I don't know why I'm doing this, but I have issues.
Okay.
I got problems.
I find hair and ear cleaning relaxing.
Really?
Yes. And
You
the
find
simplest
hair,
thing.
like hair
yeah.
and air
Yes, especially
cleaning.
ear
So if I'm
cleaning.
like doing this. Or doing this. That's fun.
Yeah. I can't read. He can't talk. He's classics on it.
Classic Sonic cannot talk.
I'm gonna put on my lovely dress. Me.
Guys, you can share them. They're Skittles. There's
Okay. I'll share each one. Mommy, do you want one?
No, I don't want any candy.
Okay.
Thank you, though.
Okay. Then, here's one for you.
Is there dresses over here?
Here's one for you. And you get another one. And you get another one. Everybody gets 2 each. And there's more, so
You get the rest?
no.
Oh,
2 for you.
thanks.
You're welcome.
Thanks, girl.
Thanks, girl. And 2 for you. Yeah, the rest is for me.
What?
Girl, there's only 4 left.
You can give Zai one. No. You can give me one. Give Zai one and give you one.
Hey, Zed.
Why?
Zed.
Because you got 4 and you got 4. And now I get 4.
Jade.
It's even.
Orange or blue?
Mommy,
Blue.
can I have
Zed,
an apple?
orange or blue?
I already gave them the apple because you said no.
Okay.
So there's no
Okay.
more.
Wait, orange or blue?
Blue.
You're being mighty generous.
No, I'm not.
I said blue first.
Joe, where you getting all this contraband?
I got it from school. I'm a good boy.
There was a party?
Well, they were handing out candy bags for Thanksgiving.
Yeah, someone was just giving every Thanksgiving.
I already got mine.
Wait, they were giving out candy bags for what?
Yeah,
Matches
but
my
I
nails.
just got.
Huh?
Thanksgiving. I mean, Valentine's Day.
Oh.
I said Thanksgiving.
They only gave me a cupcake and juice.
You don't want your candy,
Blueberry is
John?
my favorite, y'all.
I'm
Just-
not a candy
you just-
guy.
I know, I realize that.
I don't want it.
You want to share it with them?
What?
I don't want that.
I want
You
it.
already, you put it in your mouth like 50 times. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Hey,
It's okay.
mommy,
You can share it still.
is everybody gonna thank you for me?
No, I really don't.
She's your sister. You're not gonna die.
With the saliva.
Why got to put my booty in? Because I just stepped on that.
Yeah, because I didn't want her to say it in the future. Young lady. What is that? What is
Ah,
it?
yes.
I told her not to say it, but she would not listen. But I let her do it because I've said a couple curse words in my life. So
Thanks for watching. Come back Wednesday and listen. Do not forget to subscribe, man. Subscribe. Bye.